Jai Shri Gurudev. Hello children, welcome to today's online art class. In today's class, let's learn the drawing of Sankranthi. So let's see how to do that. To begin with, let me draw a center curved line. Draw a curved line at center of the page. Please keep the sheet horizontally so that you have a bigger space. Now draw curved line at center of the sheet. That is, I draw 3 curved lines, then I draw a sun. Just draw a curved line. Now I draw a temple using 2 parallel lines, that is slanting lines. Let the line be a bit slanted, then draw a zigzag line followed by a straight line and draw 2 inverted V. Now I draw some squares at center of the temple. Let me draw some horizontal line in between for extra detailing. Now let me draw a tree. Just draw some curved lines here and there. Observe the picture carefully how I draw the branches. Later, add some leaves to each branches. As we all know, Sankranthi is also popular as Pongal and very famous for sugar canes. Next, let me draw a pot. To draw a pot, I use inverted C and C shape. First write a C shape and inverted C shape. Join it with a curved line or straightaway draw an oval shape and draw curved lines to make a pot. Next, I draw some curved lines or inverted cup to draw the pongal. As the pongal is overflowing from the pot, I indicate it with the dew drops. Now decorate the pot as you desire. Next, let me draw sugarcane. To draw the sugarcane, I use 2 parallel lines and 5 lines for the leaves. Join the tip to the parallel line. Do the same to all the 5 leaves. Do the same on the other side. Just draw 2 parallel lines and 5 lines to make its leaves. Now join the tip of the leaves to the parallel line. Now give some strokes in between the parallel line for extra detailing. This is how the picture looks when it is completed. Now let's see how to color it. I use light blue and dark blue to color the curved line at center of the page. I use dark brown to color the stem of the tree. Now I add yellow shade for detailing and I use light blue to decorate its top and color the complete temple with brown or shades of brown.